Number 1. Kicking off our list is the 2026 Kia Motorhome, dubbed by many as the Smart Nomad. This motorhome is where minimalist Korean design meets smart living. From the front, the Kia Motorhome embraces a modern aerodynamic silhouette. A sleek digital grille, LED matrix headlights, and flush-mounted panels reduce drag and enhance efficiency. It's futuristic yet friendly, like something out of a sci-fi movie designed for nature. At the rear, you'll find vertical taillights integrated into the body for a clean, sculpted look. A smart tailgate with solar-assisted panels doubles as a rear awning, perfect for sunny campsite mornings. Inside, Kia nails a modular concept. Expect rotating seats, retractable bed modules, hidden storage, and a kitchen space with induction cooktops and smart fridges. Every inch is optimized, and there's even a touchscreen control system powered by Kia's AI assistant. This motorhome runs on Kia's new all-electric EGMP 2.0 platform, offering up to 400 miles of range, fast charging, and whisper-quiet operation. All-wheel drive and terrain modes make it road trip ready, whether you're hitting mountains or desert dunes. Expect the 2026 Kia Motorhome to land around $89,000 to $105,000, depending on customization. It's tech-forward, clean energy, and made for the smart traveler. Number 2. Next up is the 2026 Nissan Motorhome, a rugged yet urban vehicle made for digital nomads and families who love the open road. Based on Nissan's NV platform, the 2026 version gets a complete redesign. Sharp, aggressive lines, LED blade headlights, and a wider grille give it a commanding presence. A raised stance suggests off-road capability right from the first glance. Functional and aesthetic, the rear comes with twin barn doors, LED wraparound taillights, and a ladder leading to the roof rack, which is solar ready and can hold gear or even a pop-up tent. The interior feels like a smart apartment on wheels, with laminated bamboo floors, modular seating, a collapsible dining table, and a panoramic roof. There's a bathroom with a composting toilet and full standing room throughout. Under the hood, the Nissan packs a hybrid diesel combo for long-range durability. It boasts a 3.0-liter turbo diesel paired with a 70-kilowatt battery, offering excellent fuel economy and torque for hilly terrain. Nissan aims at affordability with quality, putting this motorhome between $78,000 and $92,000 depending on trim and off-road packages. Number 3 is the 2026 Audi Motorhome, the most luxurious and design-forward vehicle of the bunch. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a private jet on wheels. Audi's signature hexagonal grille, flanked by adaptive laser headlights, sets a premium tone. The body has a long, stretched SUV profile that screams status while reducing wind drag with active aerotech. Flush tailgates, dynamic OLED lighting, and an extendable smart deck that transforms into an outdoor lounge, Audi thinks of everything. Step inside and you'll be stunned. Real oak trim, Alcantara leather seating, ambient lighting, and a full digital dashboard. The living space features a retractable cinema screen, hidden kitchenette, and a spa-like wet bath with heated floors. The Audi Motorhome is powered by a dual-motor quattro electric drivetrain with up to 510 horsepower, a range of 370 miles, and autonomous driving capabilities. Audi also includes noise-canceling tech for a whisper-quiet cabin. Luxury doesn't come cheap. Expect a starting price of $140,000, easily reaching $175,000 plus with high-end features. But for some, it's worth every penny. Coming in fourth is the 2026 Volvo Motorhome, a minimalist masterpiece made for safety and serenity. The Volvo design language is elegant and clean, with Thor's hammer LED lights, a subtly sculpted grille, and a matte finish that resists dirt and weather. It looks like a Scandinavian cabin on wheels. The rear has a practical cargo hatch, vertical LED strips, and a retractable utility box that stores tools, water, and emergency gear. Rugged yet refined. The cabin is all about comfort. Think pale woods, wool textures, and ergonomic design. The floor plan includes a full-length couch that transforms into a bed, a tech bar with workspace and 5G connectivity, and a compact bathroom with filtered shower water. The Volvo Motorhome offers a plug-in hybrid diesel-electric setup. It prioritizes fuel economy and offers level 3 self-driving, making long hauls effortless and safe. Volvo aims for the eco-conscious traveler with a predicted price range of $98,000 to $115,000. It's about balance. Sustainability meets Scandinavian luxury. Last but not least, the legendary Mercedes Sprinter Motorhome. For 2026, it gets smarter, sleeker, and even more versatile. The classic Sprinter gets a facelift, thinner LED headlights, a tech-integrated grille, and improved aerodynamics. It retains a strong, familiar silhouette trusted by overlanders worldwide. At the rear, you'll find high-lift dual doors, a swing-out bike mount, and integrated LED lighting for better night visibility. It's designed for functionality and flair. The interior layout is a triumph of German engineering. Convertible sleeping areas, a compact but fully equipped kitchen, swiveling captain chairs, and voice-controlled smart lighting. There's even an optional loft bed for families. You can choose between a 3.0-liter turbo diesel or the new eSprinter electric version offering 300-plus miles of range and fast DC charging. Either way, it's reliable and ready. The Sprinter remains competitively priced between $95,000 and $125,000, depending on configuration and drivetrain. It's the most balanced offering on this list.